तर हे TY-BSCचं लिनियर अल्जेब्राचं लेक्चर आहे. तर सियर V is a finite dimensional real vector space. T from V to V is a linear transformation. Then lambda belong to R is called as an eigenvalue of T if there exists a non-zero vector V belong to V such that T of V is equal to lambda V. Now see here, if T of V is equal to AV, where A is a matrix corresponding to T, then we have learned the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A, which is equal to determinant of lambda I minus A. It is a monic polynomial of n degree. And the roots of the character. Now we have seen theorem that lambda is an eigenvalue of linear transformation T if and only if lambda is root of the characteristic polynomial determinant lambda I minus A is equal to 0. Now see here let us solve some more examples on the eigenvalues of the matrices. Here example, find the eigenvalue of the following linear transformation. Find the eigenvalue. Find the eigenvalue. Find the eigenvalue of the following linear transformations. Eigenvalue of the following linear transformation. Of the following linear transformation. Following linear transformation. Here T R2 to R2 is defined as T R2 to R2 is defined as T of x comma y is equal to 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, comma 5y. Here T R2 to R2 is defined as T of x comma y is equal to 2x plus 3y, comma 5y. We have to find the eigenvalue of the linear transformation T. T is a linear transformation from R2 to R2. Now let us first write T in the matrix form. T of x comma y is equal to the matrix 2 3 0 5 column into column matrix xy. Here this is the matrix form of T. T of x comma y is equal to 2 3 0 5 xy is equal to A x. T of x comma y is equal to Ax, where capital X is the column matrix xy. Now here let us find the characteristic polynomial of T. Now the characteristic polynomial of T is the characteristic polynomial of T. The characteristic polynomial of T, or the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A, polynomial of the matrix A, matrix A C is equal to determinant of lambda I minus A. Determinant of lambda I minus A is equal to determinant of lambda minus 2 minus 3 0 lambda minus 5. So here the characteristic, in order to find the eigenvalue of the linear transformation T, first we write the linear transformation T in the matrix form. T x comma y is equal to Ax, where A is the matrix 2 3 0 5. Now the characteristic polynomial of the matrix is A is equal to determinant of lambda I minus A. Now here we can directly write this determinant as of lambda minus 2 minus 3 0 lambda minus 5. So here if matrix A is the matrix A is 2 3 0 5, and therefore the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A lambda I minus A, which is equal to, now here this is the determinant of order 2. In order to, determinant is a real number. We evaluate this determinant, multiply these entries. Therefore, the value of the determinant is equal to lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 5 minus multiplication of these entries 0. Therefore, the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A is equal to lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 5 is equal to lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 10. Now here, now lambda is an eigenvalue of T if and only if lambda is the root of the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A. Now the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A is equal to lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 10, which is equal to lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 5. Therefore, the characteristic roots of T, or the eigenvalue of T, the eigenvalue of T, eigenvalues of T are the roots of the quadratic equation, are the roots of the equation of the equation of the equation of the equation lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. Lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. Is therefore lambda is equal to 2 or lambda is equal to 5. These are the required eigenvalues of T. These are the eigenvalues of T. Therefore, in order to find the eigenvalues of the matrix linear transformation T, we write the linear transformation in the matrix form. Then we write the characteristic polynomial of the matrix, and then the roots of these characteristic polynomial are the eigenvalues of the matrix T. Now, second example, therefore, the eigenvalues of linear transformation T, therefore, the eigenvalues of T, values of T are 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Now here T from R2 to RT is linear transformation, and we found the eigenvalues of T, which are equal to 2 and 5. Now let us find the eigenvector of these eigenvector of T corresponding to these eigenvalues. Let us find the corresponding eigenvectors, corresponding eigenvectors Let us find the corresponding eigenvector. That is, we find eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue of 2 and eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue of 5. Let v x comma y be the eigenvector be eigenvector be eigenvector be an eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue corresponding to eigenvalue 2 See here, let v x comma y be the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue 2. तोंडासमोर येऊ दे हे. Let v x comma y जरा इधर let v x comma y be the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue of t. Therefore t of x comma y is equal to 2 times of x comma y 2 times of x comma y. Therefore now t of xy is equal to 2x plus 3y, order pair 2x plus 3y comma 5y is equal to the order pair 2x comma 2y. Therefore 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x. This is equation number 1. And 5y is equal to 2y. 5y is equal to 2y. Therefore y is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 0, and therefore x comma 0 is the required eigenvector. X comma 0 is the required eigenvector. X comma 0 is equal to x times 1 comma 0 is required eigenvector. Is the required eigenvector. See here, therefore for each value of x we get an eigenvector. Therefore eigenvector is not unique, but there is infinite set of eigenvectors corresponding to eigenvalue x is equal to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 2. Now let us find the eigenvector. Let us find the eigenvector. Find the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue phi. Let us find the therefore t of x comma y is equal to phi of x comma y. So let us assume that the x comma y is the required eigenvector. Therefore t of x comma y is equal to lambda x times x comma y. T of x y is equal to phi x comma y. Therefore t of x comma y, therefore 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, comma phi y, phi y is equal to phi x comma phi y is equal to phi x comma phi y. Therefore 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to phi x. 2x plus 3y is equal to phi x. Therefore, and phi y is equal to phi y. Therefore, therefore 3x minus 3y is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. 3x minus 3y is equal to 0. That is x is equal to y. That is x is equal to y. And y belong to any real number. And y belong to r. Y belong to r. Therefore, therefore, the required eigenvectors, therefore, the required eigenvectors, required eigenvectors are of the type either type x comma x, where x belong to r, that is the required eigenvectors are of the type x into 1 comma 1. Therefore put x is equal to 1. Therefore 1 comma 1 is an eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to phi. 1 comma 1 is an eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to phi. किती टाइम काय झालं टाइम 19 ना. हां तर सी आर बंद कर.